In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on IQCent. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside the platform, you want to click on this plus button up top so you can actually select whatever you want to trade, okay? So here, I'm just going to go for Euro USD just for this tutorial over here. There we go. And as you can see, a bunch of things have opened up here. And this is the first thing you can do. So you could just go ahead and right here on the right-hand side, you can select your time, you can select the trade amount, how much you want to do, and then you could either go up or down over here. And that's basically one way. However, if you're going with anything else, such as for example over here, as you can see Bitcoin or something like that, you'll be able to see a bit of a different loadout over here. So there's no fancy graphs on the right hand side, on the bottom, etc. There's just going to be your base chart here, and you can open up my trades at the top left to actually see your current open orders, and then you can just go ahead, select basically the time you want to do. I'm going to do 5 seconds here. I'm going to do, of course, you can do fixed on or off if you wanna. You can do trade amount either in dollars or percentages, and then you can just type in however much you want to do. And then here you can see the payout over here. It's going to tell you everything, the potential payout as well, and then you can just go up or down. And then whenever you do that over here, as you can see, it's going to basically open up your order down here at the very bottom. So that's how you do it. That's how to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.